Guys, something big is happening. We must escape this prison. Alright, well, hey guys, welcome back to Roblox. Today we are playing Jailbreak, obviously one of the most popular games in Roblox. So obviously we have to escape from this prison. It says that Smile Mommy 2 just robbed a train for blank. I don't know what that says. Oh well, don't punch. That makes me wonder what happens if I actually punch you. Maybe I'll find out. Am I even punching it? Yeah. Come on. Come on. Punch it. Punch. Yeah. Go. What? Why didn't I go? What a great start we're going off to, guys. Alright, let's try this again. Oh, wait, what just happened? Did I get tased? Oh, I did. Hey, listen, officer, we could talk about this. Wait, we could talk about this, officer. No, officer, please, no. Officer, please don't arrest me. Officer? No, I do not trust. Wait, can I? Maybe I can pickpocket. Can I pick up? No, I want to pickpocket. No. Can I punch him? Come on, punch him. It's obviously not doing any damage. Wait, no. This is my time. Oh, no. No. Come on, I wanna pickpocket you. No, stop moving. Stop moving. Please, stop moving. Whoa, please let me in, man. Let me in. Come on, please. Please let me in. Somebody. Hey, what the frick? Where the frick did you come from? Hello? Okay. Oh, I did. Yes, I finally was able to do. Alright, now I just gotta. Alright, here we go. Now I must escape by lifting up this gate. I'm not going through, apparently. Okay, we're gonna do this again. We're gonna try this again. And boom, we are out. We are out of this. We are now out. Now we just have to escape using another. Oh, look, there you go. Look, there's over. Oh, okay. There's a few guys over there. I should probably go with them. They look like they look fun to hang with. All right then. That did not come out as good as I expected it to. Oh well. We should probably. Okay, I'm going to. All right. Here we go. Let's do this. I gotta get the car. I have to get a car. Yes, I have escaped. Now I'm going to go get a car. Is anyone following me? I hope not. Okay, no one's following me. That's good. Since no one's following me, I can easily go out and get a car. Jesus criminy. The top player has $385. That's a lot of dollars. I like that flag right there. That's a random flag. Random flags. Who doesn't love those? Alright. I don't know why there's always just a random car sitting here, but you know what? You can't really complain that much. Let's go. We gotta go. We gotta go to the city. Woohoo. Yeah, let's go. Let's go to the city. We are gonna go now. Okay. I have no idea where I'm at. I don't know why it's car. Come on, car. Come on. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I supposed to be going? I don't know. I guess you don't really think about this kind of thing when you escape from prison. Like, what are you gonna do with your life? Yeah. Oh, this car has terrible drifting. Where's the criminal base? I don't remember where it is. Oh, wait, it's right here. There it is. Don't worry. No worries, guys. I found it. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's go. Whoa, okay, there's lightning going on out there. Now I must change into my regular clothes. Thank you, gate, for opening for me. I gotta get out of these clothes, these criminal clothes. I don't want it to be too obvious. Oh, are you a criminal? Oh wait, no, that's a machine gun. I didn't see that. Oh hey, what's up? I don't know who you are, but okay. We'll just say you're a normal person. Alright, so unfortunately, I just started playing this game, so I don't even have the privilege to use a shotgun yet. I have to buy it from the garage, apparently. Yeah, it says I have to buy that from the... Hey, wait, hold on. Where's that one person who I just saw? Hey, hello. And we can, where's the gun store? I don't know where the gun store is. Alright. Alright, now we're gonna drive the car. I don't know where we're gonna go, but I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out eventually, guys. We'll figure it out. Alright, guys, I'm not even actually driving the car. I'm just like, some guy is driving the car, so now I'm just like, just pretty much just with being this guy's friend, I guess. Oh, your friend Cool Bro has joined the game. Oh, hey, man. You gonna, you just dropped money. Oh, shoot, the car just fell into the world. Well, I am going to be completely screwed because I have no, what the frick, someone want to explain what just happened? Also, where am I? I would like to know. What is this? Oh, wait, this is the museum, isn't it? Yep, this is definitely the museum. I must stay here and rob this place, I guess. Just rob the museum. Can I climb up here real quick? Oh, yep, I can. Alright. Oh, wait, did it just finish getting robbed? Am I late? How late am I? Yep, I am definitely late. God dang it. Oh, okay, I just knocked that over with my... I'm tough, I guess. Oh, okay, that was not meant to happen. Well, let's do this. Okay. Oh, okay. I have really bad gaming experiences, apparently. Alright, I will have to climb up the ladder now. Oh, shoot, there needs to be 2 people to do this. I forgot. Oh, the museum isn't opened yet. Ah, great. Now I gotta figure out what else. Now I gotta figure out now I gotta figure out something else to do. Oh god, oh god, oh god. There is pretty much an entire gang here. When does this museum open? Oh, in 5 seconds. Oh, I am so excited. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yes! Alright, we're going to break in, and we are all going to steal. No, I did not recall this ever happening. No, oh no, no. Okay, alright, grab bones. Wait, fill your thing up. Oh, whoops! I forgot to fill it all the way up. Come on. Okay, full. Alright, here we go. Oh shoot, we're out. Alright, okay. We gotta go. We don't have enough time. We can't let any capos see us. Alright, no. Oh shoot, no. Oh come on, am I not being able to grab anything? Screw it. I'm getting out of here. Am I out? Did I escape? Alright, yeah, we finally got something. Not a lot of things, though, so... I don't really know if this was really worth it, you know? And if it makes things worse... I may or may not know where the... Oh, no, I should have gotten... No! I am so stupid! Wait, somebody! Help me! I don't want to be by myself. No, please. Okay, I'm not fast enough to catch up with them. Wait, hold on. Oh, there's some. There's some. Please tell me that oh wait, am I able to make it? Yep, I'm definitely gonna make it. I am definitely going to make. Oh no, I'm stuck. I'm getting in. Getting in. Ah, shoot. Ask the owner to unlock it. I don't know who the owner is, unfortunately. Is there no one else up there? No, it's just this guy. Is there anyone else to talk with? Oh, can I? No, wait. I want in. I want in. Crap, this was completely pointless. Okay, alright then. Dude, the place has already been robbed. I don't know why you, unless it's not. I don't know. Oh, whoop, I don't want, I open it. Get out. Paycheck. Oh, awesome. Oh, thank God. I thought you were an actual cop. I thought you were a cop. Wait, no, wait. I want in. No. Jerk. Not letting me in this freaking. Alright, I'm just gonna take this car. Oh, hey! Go, Bob! Hey! What's up, man? Wait, you're my friend, right? Pretty sure you were my friend. Hold on. Are you my friend? Can't really tell. Hold on. Wait, cool. Yeah, cool, Bob. You are my friend. Hello. Hi, what's up, man? Hey, you wanna talk to me? I hope you do, at least. Hi. We're friends, We're friends. Yeah, we're friends. Oh no! Oh God, no. No. I am terrible at this game. My frames are bad. What the frick? Hello? You okay, man? Dude? Let's tell him I'm a YouTuber. Great, now what do we do? I have no idea what we're gonna do about this now. Where's the criminal base? I have no idea where the criminal base is. Where is base? Where's base? Oh, it's gonna take me there? I don't know what he's doing. I don't know. Oh no. Yep, we are definitely lost. I'm sorry, old friend. I'm sorry that we got us lost. Hold on, I'm gonna tell that to him in the chat. Oh wait, where is he going? Oh, he might know where we're going. I don't know that for sure though, so we're gonna have to find out. Hey, he's found a rare purple color. What the frick does that even mean? Alright. We are unfortunately not going to be able to get this money across because I am not smart at all and I don't know how to play the freaking game. Oh no, we are gonna be sad. I'm sorry. Subscribe. Now we're gonna reset our character. That was probably a mistake. Yep, it was. That was a big mistake. No. Oh.